Hello friends, today I'm going to make the instant puri or the bhatura. This is the quickest way you could make the puri in large amount when you don't have much time and you have a large amount of guests coming over. This is a quick fix where you don't even have to make a dough or even shape it up, and it tastes just perfect. To make the instant puri or the bhatura in just 2 minutes, I'm using the market bought flour, tortilla breads, and that's all you need. In a pan, I have added enough white oil to deep fry the tortilla breads. Now, once the oil is hot, I will turn the flame to medium and add the tortilla breads into it. Just look at it, how it's getting puffed. So on each side, give it 1 minute, and once it turns light golden brown, your puffed crispy puri is ready. Believe me, this tastes almost the same, in fact exactly the same, just like the puri or the bhatura you would get in the market, and this is a mess-free and a fuss-free method. You don't even have to knead a dough and it tastes perfect. Just look at it, how crispy and super puffed this looks. Isn't it amazing? Do give this recipe a try and comment below to let me know how was it. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get all the latest notifications when I update my video. So see you soon friends. Until next time. Bye-bye.